Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy M34, and I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not respond. So if your screen is not respond because of damage, so your smartphone has fallen, and after that your screen isn't working, so unfortunately I can't help you. But in situations when your One UI is frozen, is freezed, so sometimes just force restart can help us to resolve this problem. To perform the force restart, you just need to press and hold power and volume up during I don't know, 15 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. Okay, so press and hold during 10 seconds. Then after that you need to release both of them and quickly press and hold power and volume down. Wait until Samsung logo will appear on your screen and release both of keys. In this way, we will force restart our device and automatically clean cache. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.